What's the meaning of axiomatically? Axiomatically. Axiomatically.
Axiomatically. Axiomatically. Axiomatically refers to something that is self-evident or accepted as true without requiring proof or evidence. It is typically used to describe a statement or principle that is fundamental and serves as the basis for further reasoning and logical argumentation. In mathematics and logic, axioms are the starting points from which all other theorems and propositions can be derived. Axioms are considered to be self-evident and not in need of proof. Therefore, when a proposition is proven to be true based solely on the axioms, it is said to be proven axiomatically.